Hi. What's he doing? Morgan. Avery. Come here. Come here. I see you. Can you come here? Come on. Nice screaming, girls. What'd you find? Did you find some Ritz crackers in there? That's pretty smooth. Where are you going? You gonna go get your sissy? Say hi, sissy. She won't get out of the car. She screams. Hey, Tata. Hey, Tata. What happens if you get out of the car? You get mad, huh? I don't think we should show people. It seems mean. You clapping? Yay for Sissy! Yay for... Nice burp. Yay for Sissy. Yeah. And what about you? Still not going to get out? Alright. And Avery! Where are you going? What are you saying? Come here. Hey, I'm trying to talk to you. Where are you going? Can you go? You were spitting at me earlier. Where are you going? What you saying? I see you. See you later. What you saying? Hi. Thank you for parking those so nicely, so close together. Thank you. Thank you. So thank you, Mama. Or, yeah, okay. We're not going to get in because then you'd be like your sissy and you'll refuse to get out. Can you come over here? Avery. Can you come over here? Come here. Oh, you cheater.